Welcome back. This is script 5 of 6 in our series on Fliki. Today we're covering monetization strategies for content creators using Fliki. Hey there, content creators and future internet moguls. Let's talk money, honey. Because while creating content might feed your soul, it probably won't feed your dog, and those premium kibble prices are no joke. So, you've mastered Fliki's AI-powered content creation tools. You're churning out videos faster than I delete emails from my extended warranty people. But now it's time to turn those creative efforts into actual revenue. Let's dive into the wonderful world of monetization with Fliki. First up, the subscription model. Think of it like dating. Instead of trying to impress someone new every day, you build a committed relationship with your audience. They pay a monthly fee, and you provide exclusive content. It's like having fans who actually fund your coffee addiction. With Fliki, you can easily gate premium content behind a subscription wall. Just remember, if you promise weekly content, don't pull a Netflix series finale and leave them hanging for months. Next, we have the pay-per-view model. This is perfect for specialized, high-value content. Maybe you've created an in-depth tutorial on how to convince your cat you're not actually their servant. That's worth charging for. Fliki makes it simple to set up pay-per-view content with just a few clicks. The best part? No awkward price negotiations. The cat's still in charge at home, but you're in charge of your pricing. Sponsorships are another goldmine. Once you've built an audience with your Fliki content, brands might want to tap into that audience. It's like when your friend introduces you to their other friends because you're so funny, except instead of awkward small talk, you get paid. Fliki's analytics help you demonstrate your audience's engagement to potential sponsors. Just be authentic with your endorsements. Your audience can smell insincerity faster than my teenagers can smell pizza being delivered. Don't overlook affiliate marketing. This is where you recommend products and get a commission when people buy through your link. Fliki's video content is perfect for product demonstrations. It's like being a digital matchmaker between your audience and products, except instead of relationship drama, you get commission checks. Win-win. Merchandise is another fantastic avenue. Once you've built a brand using Fliki's consistent content tools, slap that logo on a mug. People love merch. I've purchased t-shirts from brands I love just to become a walking billboard for them. That's like paying someone to advertise to you, which, when you think about it, is brilliant marketing sorcery. Consulting and services can be lucrative too. Use your Fliki content as a portfolio to showcase your expertise. It's like saying, see this amazing free content? Imagine what I could do if you actually paid me. Your Fliki videos serve as proof of your knowledge and skills, opening doors to coaching, consulting, or service opportunities. Lastly, don't forget about tips and donations. Sometimes fans just want to support you because they appreciate your work. Set up a virtual tip jar. It's like busking, but you don't have to stand outside in the rain with a ukulele. Remember, the most successful monetization strategy often combines multiple approaches. It's not a one-size-fits-all situation. It's more like a monetization buffet. And like any good buffet goer knows, why choose one dish when you can pile your plate with a bit of everything? This was script 5 of 6. For more information and to continue learning, visit dmpgh.com. That's dmpgh.com. Thanks for watching and keep growing that brain.